Morning everyone, 9:30, US equities just opened. It's Thursday, February the 3rd. So I'm looking at a potential trade here. Some hidden divergence. I need a crossover of the stochastics. Whoops. So a lower high on the price and a much higher high on the stochastics. So I'm waiting for this to cross over and then I'll get short. Pardon me. So I'll wait for this candle to close basically, and if it closes down, then then that'll make the stochastics cross and I'll get in short. So I'll update this video in a little bit and we'll see what happens. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, alright, so we're back. Let me blow this chart up a bit so you can see it a bit better. So you see the initial lines I drew with the light blue, and then I drew in the dark blue for what was my real entry. So the light blue was what I was anticipating. It never happened. You know, a few more candles printed, and then the dark blue still gave me hidden divergence. So I got in on the cross. I just got in on this candle here. So you know, sometimes that'll happen, and of course, where's my line here? So you know, there's this one as well. Should color that a different color. Let me color that red. Right, so we can put it here or we can put it over here. So we still have that. So there's hidden divergence all over the place here. So we're expecting this to come down. Now my stop will be, let me get rid of some of these lines. Delete. So my stop will be just above the swing high, a couple of pips above. Is that, like, say 88? I'm in at 73, so 15 pips to the downside, and then I'll take a 15 pip profit. Which will put me in about there. Okay, so I'll go put my stop and target in, and we'll come back and see how this thing plays out. Talk to you in a bit. Alright guys, we're back. It's 10 after 10. So this trade's taken a little longer than I guess some of the previous ones, which is fine. I've moved my stop to break even. I was going to do it here. I was looking on this candle. Let me make this chart bigger. I was looking on this candle here. I was going to wait till it got to, I was 10 pips in profit, and it only went 9 pips, and then it came back against me. So this time it ticked down one more tick. I seen plus 10 on my profit, and I said, okay, that's enough. I'll move it to break even, because there should be enough follow through here. If it's going to test this low, then there's, you know, it did the first time. It had a look at it, came back. So the second time, if it doesn't break through and this low and touch my target, then it probably won't. So I'll get out flat. So zero risk. That's what, you know, that's the way I like it. And when I can, and in this case, I think it's the right move. And we'll see how it plays out. So we'll check back in a little bit. See ya. All right, guys. So we got our target. We got filled. 58, right to the tick. So we'll see. We'll see how this the rest of this trade plays, or not trade, but the rest of the price, I guess, action plays out. But regardless, you know, I like the trade. It made sense. Moving your stop to break even. There's, you know, there's just nothing cooler than that, I think. Nothing smarter. So yeah, that's it, guys. You know, simple trade. And again, it didn't go in our favor right away. We were hoping this candle here would have come down and taken us out, but you know, it came back up, and that second try only made sense to break even, to move our exit to break, or pardon me, our stop to break even. So cool stuff. Hope everybody's getting a kick out of the range charts. Haven't had too many questions about them. I think the video was pretty clear, so hopefully everybody's still getting a chance to mess around with them and have some fun. Alright guys, we'll talk to you soon. Take it easy.